Rolling hills out here. Very windy. It's a windy day. Let the breeze through this nature take us away. Hello and welcome to the woods. Enjoying this beautiful nature here. This area known as the Alafia River Corridor Nature Preserve. And this is the southern section of the preserve. Many trails here to roam. Lots of places to explore off the beaten path. Let's take a journey into these woods. Love the smell of these woods as this wind flows through the trees. And following one of the horse trails here in the preserve. There's so many areas to roam. I just want to explore all these woods. There's unmarked trails and clearings, old pathways once used. A lot of nice trees throughout these woods. Trail has led me to this area where a creek is. Flows through the woods here. It's a cooler day out here hiking in this preserve. Some cloud cover, some partial sunshine, nice breeze. Makes it comfortable for hiking in some of these wide open areas. Don't want to be out here when it's too hot. So right now, it's a great time of year to be out here enjoying this wilderness. Into the great wide open. That's right. Wide open spaces here. This part of the preserve. Enjoying this nice breeze. Walk through these areas that once were part of a ranch at one time in this area. At last, civilization is right up ahead. Now this preserve borders these areas that are developed, obviously here. Lots of nice creeks here throughout the preserve. Jump across this one.